The on fleek and the fleekless. Dope G. Tia mami. Tia mami. Tia mami. Show me see.
Judge me by my hair.
You run into the salon, but you think you now you gotta come on. You and the bonus is just as you look as you don't care.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Deliwe and I'm back with another hair video. To my returnees, thank you for waiting. Highness, please watch the video till the end, and if you like the content, please subscribe. You just have to subscribe because you have already come across this video. Okay, so yes. So today I'm going to be redoing this hairstyle. Okay, so the time I did it, I did not do it on camera, and so when I took some pictures and like posted them on my socials, people were asking me, how did you do this hair, what hair did you use? And I'm like, oh god, I should have posted a video. Like, wow, I had to take it down. Like, I had to take the hair down and redo it now on camera, which is why I am here today, to show you what I did and what I'm going to be doing and what hair I'll be using, what equipment I'll be using. We're not going to be using a lot of things. It's not complicated, and this hairstyle is not a hairstyle that you can rely on like that, because it was just from my brains. I do not even know what I was doing. I think that is also one of the reasons why I did not put it, like, I did not record anything, because I was just trying it out. Let's get right into the video. So these are the things that you're going to need. A comb, of course. Oops, with some hair. A latching hook. Yeah, I looked it up. I had to look it up. So yeah. This hair is recycled, okay? It has been used before. Yeah, it's recycled hair, but you can still get new hairs like Mambo Twist, I think even Afro Kink. Yeah, you can use those hairs. Okay, so yeah. So I'm going to start by, let me just tie one side of my hair. Okay. Oh, I forgot one thing you need. You need a mirror. I'm not going to show you my mirror because my mirror is
it's like a fufu vovo.
Just know you need a mirror to see whatever you're going to be doing on your head, so it's okay. So I've tied this side, so meaning I'm going to start with this side. Okay. I'm going to pick my hair, like I'm just going to play picking, then I'm going to show you how it's going to turn out. Okay, this is what I meant. This is what I meant by saying picking. Okay, yeah. Well, Okay, so I'm done with this side. Okay, so I'll just start crocheting so that you can see the same process I did this side, the same process I'm going to do this side. Okay, so if you're using a Mambo Twist, usually the original one, like the original ones, they usually come like, how can I say, they are splittable, like you can split them like one car thing. Okay, I don't even know how I'm going to say this, but they sometimes come like this. Okay, for example, this is the Mambo Twist. Okay, for example, they usually come twisted like this, if you know what I'm talking about. Like they come coiled. So for this hairstyle, these were untwisted already. Okay, so you've seen they just look old like that, so they are untwisted. Okay, so I'll just start crocheting from the front going behind, so depending on the length that you want. So for me, I prefer the shoulder length. Okay, like a length where it bypasses my hair, because honey, if I do anything shorter than this, my hair is going to be at risk, and that is not what I want. So we're going to start. Then we'll get this hair, we'll hook it on there, then we close it, then we bring it out like that. So it's going to be like this. Okay, so depending on the length that you want, you pull. So this is the length I want. Okay, so you determine the length of the braid that you want, the length of the braid that you want, by pulling one of these, okay, to wherever you want it to reach. So mine is just going to be somewhere here. Okay, so just do them like that, continue moving them there like this. Then we go back up when we reach to the length where you want it to be. Okay, we go back up. Okay, first let me move a little bit like that. Then we start going up. Then when we come up like that, we're going to tie it. Us and our tying businesses, honey. So if you've got glue, you can glue this thing somewhere, just gluing it like that, but it's going to remain like this. Or you can just cut it if you want, but I'll cut them later when I'm done. Okay, maybe I might not be satisfied with the length at the end of the day, but honey, we move. So love you. Yeah, so this is how it's going to come out. So listen, like that. This is how it looks. You can see. Anyway, okay, so yeah, this is the first one. Let's get the second one. So I want to make sure the length is the same. Okay, I think these are going to be perfect because I am taking my time. Yeah, so let's hook it up. Okay, so it's a bit dark now, but this is how far I have gone. So I'm just going to be updating you slowly until I'm done. Okay, I might finish tomorrow in the morning. I'm quite lazy, but yeah. Let me just finish this side, then I'll film this side. I'm sorry if the music is making noise. I just wanted to keep it company, but yeah. So I'll just finish this side maybe tomorrow in the morning, as I am not going to have time to, not time rather, but if I'm not going to manage to have good lighting, if that makes sense. We're here. It's morning. I was so lazy yesterday to finish up, so now I'm just going to untie this thing. Yeah. And so this is the first side that we completed last night. This is how the hair came out, like that. I hope y'all can see that. Then I had to stay up all night to finish up this side. So today, right now, since it's morning, we're just going to crochet. Okay, so yeah, let's just start with nothing we're waiting for. Yeah, I'm on the last one. The last one had days. So this is how this hair looks about right now. Okay guys, so I have finished plaiting this hair. As my hair is protected, I have finished doing whatever I was doing. So let me just show you the back. This is the back. Yeah, I hope you saw that. And then I have a few disclaimers. This hair so this hair, I don't know the name of this hairstyle. Firstly, whatever you want to call them, you can call them whatever it is. So yeah, I'm sure in the beginning of the video I said that it's not that reliable. So after some time you'll find that it has started loosening up, like it starts coming out like that. So you have to like fix it almost like maybe after 2 days, like that. Like the ones that have become loose, you have to tie them back. That's why I said it's not that reliable. Like it's not that reliable for you to keep it for more than 2 weeks. You can pick a name for it. As of now, it's just the hairstyle. So I guess now you are clear on everything that has happened to this head and for this hair to come about. Yes, please. So if you want to try it out, you can try it out, and I would advise you to try it out maybe with reused hair, so that you cannot mess up. You know, you can find you've bought hair, then you want to try out the hairstyle, then you've spoiled the hair and you cannot use it again. So I prefer you using trying it out on hair that you have already used, or maybe hair that you're not going to use again, you know. So we move. So I like this hairstyle because it's not painful, it's not hard to maintain. At night you just have to tie it. If you've got a bonnet, you can put a bonnet. It's not hard. But when you tie it, that's when it starts becoming loose and like they start coming out like that. Okay, so that's it. If you've got any other questions, you can comment down below and I'll be there to answer them. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the thumbs up button and tell your friends that okay, she has finally made the video of how she did that hair, because my DMs were full of how did you do the hair, where did you do your hair, and all that. So I finally come to your rescue. You know, call me Superwoman. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and yeah, see you in my next video.
Shoulda, woulda, coulda, but I flip my hoodie up and I'm all gooda. Big dreams, spit 16s, ooh wee. Big dreams, MUSIC.